Gold failed to break past 2048 levels on the upside and has traded with a drop recently. Now it is trading below 2020 levels. In the morning, I told you to sell at 2038 and see where it is. I hope you all profited. Likewise, if you look at crude oil, Crude 2 has seen the drop but respected 81.6, and if you recall the morning update, I told you 81.4, 81.6 levels are going to be a perfect support, and precisely taking the support, it has reversed again and trading above 82. Now what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit? Trading gold and crude oil, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now look at the hourly charts of gold. See, it has completed the journey till here. It is the rally started from here, it is stabilized here and now completed the journey till here. Now the next selling entry is only if you see it breaking below 2013 levels. Yes, if you see it trading below 2013, you can sell and then expect 2008, 2004 and then below that further drop can be expected. Till it stays above 2013, do not sell gold right now. And see, on the hourly charts, you have seen a good wall there and then this drop out here. Now also if you look at the moving averages, they've started to converge here. The stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. It is looking down. The RSI is also trying to look down, trying to trade bearish here. And if you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see the breakout was from here. It is again fallen back within the same zone. So now, as I said, only sell entry is below 2013. Till the time it stays above 2013, do not sell gold. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD has crossed over and this is a sharp crossover. This is a divergent bearish indication. RSI is also trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. Likewise, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. It is trading below 20 period averages, however slightly above the 50 period. If these both are taken, certainly we may see 2004 2000 levels also. The stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish. RSI trying to look down. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation, nothing different. Yes, it has completed the journey till here. So possibly now now gold might remain in range. Possibility exists for that. The stochastic has dropped sharply. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. RSI has dropped sharply too. And if you look at the daily charts, now see the daily charts here. On the daily charts, first of all, lower highs and then this pull back, and I told you in the morning update also, it is trading outside the Bollinger bands and hence might get a pullback here. Precisely that has happened. And if you look at, see, the move is still very well within the yesterday's low, and that is what it may try to confine its movement within. However, if it draws below there at 2013, probably it can try to stretch the drop further. Then we may see it erasing the gains for the last 2 days till 2004 2000 levels also. The stochastic flat, MACD very flat here at the high levels here. It is neither bearish nor bullish. The RSI is also seen a good drop. Considering this, as I said, now see, we have seen a good drop so far, and hence on the lower levels I will only recommend you to sell at 2013. Till the time it stays above 2013, there is always a possibility of a slight pullback, and how far it can stay. See, now the buying levels are very far, only about 2040. I will recommend you to buy there till the time it stays above 2040. Below 2040, every rise is an opportunity to sell, and hence you need to remain cautious till 2040 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Buying entries are far away. Be cautious, be alert with the trades there. And on the downside, the selling entries are far below. As we have seen a good drop, you have to remain cautious and alert till 2030. So take your trades accordingly. I think rather we should be in a no trade zone. Those who entered a sell entry in the morning definitely would be in profit by now. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. The 21st batch is going to start now on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for oil. 82.50. Told you in the morning, only breaking out above 82.6 you should buy, and now 82.5, 82.6 is a good strong resistance for oil. Yes, if you see it trading above this, you can buy again. However, right now it is trying to look down and see the retracement, lower highs, and again trying to look down, which means lower end of the channel. We may see it hitting 81.5, 81.4. Now remember, this zone is very, very important, 81.5, 81.4. So in between 81.4, 82.6, now do not take any trade. That is what I will say. The stochastic is at highs, the MACD is at bottom, RSI is also trying to look downwards. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Higher lows are seen, also higher highs are seen. So we have to be watchful till 82, 81.8, and below that it can try to drop. However, 81.5, 81.4 still is a very strong support, and only below that it is going to drop. So those who are willing to sell can wait for 81.8, sell there, but then 81.6, 81.4 zone is the next support. Only and only if you see it trading below 81.4, further bearishness will be observed. Stochastic flat, MACD is still divergent and bearish. See, the candle size have diminished here. Probably we may see it converging from here. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade slightly bearish. And if you look at 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Yes, any move above 82.6 certainly is a buy zone where you can expect 83.2, 83.5. Stochastic seen rising, MACD divergent bearish, RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. On the 4-hour chart, the observation is same, nothing different. Getting the support from the 20 period moving average right now at around 82 levels, and hence you should be watchful of that. I will rather recommend you to sell at 81.8. Below that, still be cautious of 81.6, 81.4, and then 81 levels, strongest support. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. Look at the daily charts now. Now see, on the daily charts we have seen lower lows, and if you connect this, lower highs means 83. So yes, if it tries to move above 82.5, 82.6, still 83, 83.2, this zone is going to provide the maximum resistance to crude oil, and hence only if it breaks past further above 83.2, you can expect that it is going to fly high for 83.5 and plus levels. So do not trade between at least 81.8, 82.6 zone. Below 81.8 also, 81.6, 81.4, very, very strong support, and only if it breaks below 81.4 and then 81 levels, you can consider this as bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.